Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be packaging a slime for my best friend across the street. She wants like a lavender slime. I don't know what lavender slime she wants. So I have this big glue and like a big purple glue. It has like jelly cubes in it, all kinds of stuff. And I'm gonna try to fix it and give it to her. So first, before I start the video, I want you to make sure you like and subscribe, turn on notifications every single time, so you know every single time I make a video. And also, I hope that you're having the greatest day, and for the people who are not, I hope that whatever you're going through, you get through it, and God will stay always by your side. Anyways, let's make it towards the video. So, I'm gonna try to fix this. It does stretch. It has a bunch of stuff in it. And I'm gonna take this other piece and get some clay and like make something on top. But first, I'm gonna roll this up in the ball. Put it in the container, put it in the container. And I'm gonna try to make this red because I don't think that's possible. But I'm just gonna try to make it red. So we're gonna roll this up in a nice ball. Let's put that in here. Okay, now that's this in the container, I'm gonna go get some clay for this. And I'm gonna like make a design on top of this. I'm gonna make a design on top of this mess right there. So yeah. So I'm gonna head to my room. Okay. So I'm gonna get some clay, and some things to fix this. Yeah, I don't even think I can call it slime yet. Because I really don't think this is slime. But yeah, it's something. So we're gonna grab some things so we can fix this horrible slime, and hopefully it will be perfect for my best friend, and hopefully she'll love it. Okay, so now I got my items that I'm going to use to fix it. I'm thinking about I put some blue clay. I'm gonna put some blue, even though it is purple. I'm not sure blue clay will help. I don't think this will help, but I think the clay would just make it like only make it lighter or like more, or like a dark purple. But yeah. And the clay is pretty cute. It's clay, so it doesn't stretch, duh. And I have another like slime. I have another slime right here. And I'm gonna mix some of this with the clay. And I'm going to make something good out of it, I hope. If it's going to be good, I don't know. Hopefully it will. I think I took a little bit too much. I'm just gonna put some back. Okay, now that I got some clay and some other like putty slime thing, I'm gonna go mix it up with this purple mess. So first I'm gonna add the clay. I'm gonna add this clay right here. I don't know if y'all can see me. I hope y'all can. I'm gonna add this clay, this blue clay, into this and the slime. It is kind of stretchy, so I hope that helps with this mess. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix it. Okay, mix the clay in first. Okay, the clay is just making it lighter, like I thought. It's actually making it like pretty. It's making it kind of blue, which is my goal here. How do you think, y'all, this looks? I think it doesn't look too bad, but it's not ready. So I'm gonna add this green slime. Just make sure you like before I put this in. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you like? Because I hope you did. So now if you liked, I will put the other putty inside. Which it actually made it more stickier, which I was going for. It's making a gray color, which I'm just gonna add all of it. I decided, or should I add all of it? I don't know. I don't know what to do. Actually, I take it back. No, my slime's gonna be stuck in here. Okay, take some of that back. Yeah, okay, I think I'm good now. Okay, if y'all can't see it, here it is. I put some more of that green putty in it. I'm gonna try to mix this in. It's just making it bigger. It's not doing anything, and it sucks. So, it has lumps in it from the clay. I'm just gonna have to try to mix the clay in as much as I can. Because if the clay doesn't mix in, it won't like turn out the way I wanted it to, and then the whole entire slime's gonna get mixed up. And I really don't want that to happen. Like, I really don't. I think I have something that can fix this, actually. I'll be right back. Oh wait, this is actually turning out really well. I'm just gonna try to, yeah, okay. Okay, it doesn't stretch anymore. It barely stretches, but I can roll it up into a ball. Okay, I think I have something wonderful to help that poor slime. I don't even think I can pull that slime right now. It's in here somewhere. I'm gonna add some scent to it. Some Into the Night scent, yeah. Oh wait, I have something. I can maybe put this cute little charm. That would be cute. Okay, well that's not the stuff I'm looking for. I'm not looking for this stuff, so I don't even know why I'm getting it. Wait, somewhere back here. It's somewhere in here. Okay, I can't find it right now. It's I'm going to have to find it later and put it in there. So later in the video. So yeah, we're just gonna head back. I got some items that I didn't even think I was going to get, but yeah, that's okay. Okay, I wonder how this looks. Just need pink. Okay, I just need pink slime to make red. So we're gonna head over and get some pink slime like I need. I'm gonna get some of this pink glossy slime because I really need it more than anything. I'm not gonna take all of it because yeah, these are one of my favorite slimes. And I also have another pink slime that I can also put in there. This one's bigger, so I don't care. Okay, we're just gonna put that. Okay, and now we're gonna add a purple slime. I'm gonna add a purple slime. Oh, I found the slime I was looking for. It was in there, but I have a lighter purple slime, which if it doesn't turn pink by that, then I will find something else. This is what I was looking for. This slime right here. I'm just gonna take a little bit because I know it's gonna ruin it. Because I add this into slime before. It just completely ruined it and it did nothing. So I'm gonna take my slimes and the camera. I have to carry slime in my hand and a camera. It's very hard, but I did it. Okay, I got my 4 slimes right now. We're gonna add the pink first. This should make it red. Because my best friend, she loves pink and red, and I'm trying my best to make her this wonderful slime, but it's not doing anything. It just demolished. Completely demolished. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to make her another slime in a different video. Yep, the pink.
You said I was supposed to have that today. You're full of shit. Me too. I'm fucking. No, I'm not.
Bro.
I thought you was serious. I was about to say, me too. Why are you saying that thing? You want to go home? I was going to say, like, hey, do you want some ice cream? But then I figured, I was like, no, you probably want no ice cream today.
Alright, I got all those slimes are just making it not
You
straight.
got all flavors. Strawberry, watermelon, cherry, pineapple, any flavor you want.
That one that you said you'll give the guy medicine?
No, that's not him.
Oh. I was about to say, I'm never going back there again.
Why? Because I offered the guy medicine.
Yes. Why you gotta always offer somebody
He said
something?
he was sick.
Oh well.
They had no care.
What? Anyways, we're gonna mix this green slime in.
Maybe that's something that's being offered.
Okay, now I'm gonna make something very cute. It didn't turn red, that's pretty sad. That was my goal. But hopefully she loves it.
You need to do a little show. They just win that. I was gonna pay for this shit. 85 something.
So they took away 10 and just put 85 cents. Because this group is called 95 though.
Bro, because really a street in
Okay, now we're gonna add it to this big gloop of slime. Hopefully she'll love it, because I really hope she loves it. Because I don't think I can make another slime better than this one. And yeah.
Yeah, so all they did was show us that.
Okay, now I'm gonna go give her the slime, but first,
Stand like that. Yeah, let me do it.
okay, I'm gonna add this. Cute. Looks so pretty. Now we're gonna add our scent. Perfect. Now we're gonna add our cookies. And hopefully
You press everything in the middle and move it with your finger.
she'll love it. I'm gonna go get her real quick. I'll be right back.
There's a lot of people there, though.
Yo,
The guys from what's the name?
right for Wildman.
Ugh, she's so annoying. She finally made me my favorite slime. She left it at my door earlier, and she left it at my door earlier, and I was wondering what it was. It's probably this slime. I wonder what she made me. It smells so good. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's very, very pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. Make sure you go subscribe to her because I did and she's amazing. I love this. It's very good. It's like, oh my god, I love this color. My favorite color is red though, but I'm still very grateful. I love the ASMR. Listen. The ASMR to this is like beautiful. And also, it's like very stretchy. I mean, it's not as stretchy as my other slimes, but I can work that up. It's very thoughtful of her, and I really enjoy this slime. I'm gonna make something for her in the next video. And yeah, because she's very nice, she's very self-loving, and I can't believe she made me this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful slime. I just wish it was red, but it's still wonderful. Well, I'm gonna go over to her house and I'm gonna surprise her with $10 right here. So yeah, I'll be right back. Somebody's at the door. I'll be right back.
Have you ever used some of this for some?
No. Somebody left me, I don't know how much money this is, but, somebody left me today. I think it was from my best friend. I think it's from her making this beautiful slime. Even I love it. It's so nice. I made me another one. I made me another one because I really like it. So yeah. Well guys, I hope you like this video and make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.